Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order number 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Land, Environment and Natural Resources on a matter of inter-county concern regarding the rampant and unplanned urban development in the counties. Madam Speaker, since 2013, counties have witnessed a surge in construction of residential and commercial properties. These developments have not been properly regulated and have brought about an urban planning and infrastructure crisis, particularly in Nairobi, Mombasa, Kiambu, Nakuru, Kisumu, and Uasin Gishu counties, where the existing emergency response facilities, road networks, water supply, and sewerage systems are overstretched and unable to keep pace with the rising population. Madam Speaker, in the statement, the committee should address the following. Number one, the number of counties that have developed and gazetted up-to-date county spatial plans and local physical and land use development plans as required by law, and the extent to which the plans are enforced in those counties. Number two, the number of physical planners, engineers, environmental officers, and building inspectors employed by the Nairobi, Mombasa, Kiambu, Nakuru, Kisumu, and Uasin Gishu county governments, and the measures in place to ensure progressive realization of the required staffing levels for effective service delivery. Number three, the steps being taken by the specified county governments to accelerate development and expansion of emergency response facilities, road networks, water supply, sewage, and other critical urban infrastructure systems to match the growing urban population. Number four, the measures in place to address the increasing incidence of unregulated sinking of boreholes in urban centers, especially without prior hydrogeological assessments, which are necessary to ensure that the structural integrity of the surrounding ground and buildings is not compromised. Madam Speaker, the house in Mombasa, which was demolished sometime last year, collapsed as a result of failure in the geological assessments by the county government. Number five, the prevailing practice and procedures for approving change of use of parcels of land in the specified counties, including whether procedures comply with the statutory provisions in the change of use processes. Number six, the steps taken by the national government and the specified county governments to identify and reclaim land designated for road reserves, wayleaves, and service corridors, open spaces, parks, and urban forests, and green belts, as well as road and riparian reserves that have been encroached upon. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Senator Mohamed Faki Munyi Haji, Senator Mombasa County.